Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Rajan and alumai banglaba English with Rajan and alu chuzulai pare. Today I'm going to share you one of the speaking patterns which is quite useful in our daily conversation life or professional life as well. So what is it? So let's get started. The speaking pattern is when it comes to surah takukuna pata line. Okay. So to your structure ga when it comes to plus noun or verb ing ပြီးတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့နောက်က sentence line ပေါ့နော် So let's go to the example. When it comes to football, Messi and Ronaldo are the best in this era. Football နဲ့ပတ်သက်လာရင် Ronaldo နဲ့ Messi ကအကောင်းဆုံးကစားသမားတွေဖြစ်ကြပါတယ်ပေါ့နော် in this era ဒီခေတ်ကြီးမှာ So let's go to another example. When it comes to language, English is the easiest language in the world. ဘာသာစကားနဲ့ပတ်သက်လာရင် English ဘာသာစကားအလွယ်ကူဆုံးဘာသာစကားဖြစ်ပါတယ် So the third example, when it comes to Myanmar food, mohinga is my favorite one. မြန်မာအစားအစာနဲ့ပတ်သက်ရင် mohinga ကျွန်တော်အကြိုက်ဆုံးအစားအစာတစ်ခုဖြစ်တယ် Okay, so the last example is when it comes to mountains, Mount Everest is the highest one in the world. This is the speaking pattern which I want to share you. I hope you guys understand very well the speaking patterns. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in another one. Till then, take care, keep practicing and have fun, guys.